When submitting a question to QSLA Connect, you may initially receive our auto-reply email. This email contains links to the full list of frequently asked questions, as well as links to the most recent What's New email. If this doesn't help you, don't worry. A team member will reply within 1 business day. If the information in your QSLA Connect profile and your California ECE Workforce Registry profile don't match, you may need to receive support from the registry if the correction needs to be made there. Head to caregistry.org and click on the chat support bubble on the lower right-hand corner so that someone can start assisting you with those corrections. For QSLA Connect courses or any other QSLA Connect related questions, you can reach us at qslaconnect@qualitystartla.org. We hope this was helpful. Please contact QSLA Connect with any questions, and thank you for watching!